Welcome to the Space Team's Guide to Accruent Analytics. Accruent Analytics is the new Famous Cloud's answer to my reports, which you may have used through Famous Classic to view space reports. Logging into Analytics. Logging into Analytics is a little simpler from Famous Cloud than going from Famous Classic to My Reports. When logged into Famous Cloud, click the graph icon in the upper right-hand corner to navigate to Analytics in a new window. You will be logged in automatically with your Famous credentials. If you are not yet familiar with the new Famous Cloud, you may want to watch the Famous video on searching and viewing locations before proceeding to Analytics. Finding the report you need. The first thing you will see in Analytics is the home screen. The graphics on the home screen are Accruent defaults, not related to space reports. Where you want to go for space data is here, the Quick Links menu. Open Quick Links and select Shared Reports to browse the various reports on Famous Space, property, and user data. Clicking Shared Reports will open a menu on the left of the screen. The folders in this menu may look familiar. This is because they are the same report categories used to organize the reports in My Reports in Famous Classic. The subfolders inside each folder also mirror My Reports subcategories. For example, inside the Surveys folders are the reports for NSF and FNA use. In Facilities reports are Famous's most basic reports on the details of UNM spaces and properties. In this example, we are interested in details on the buildings of the Gallup campus, so let's click on the folder for the UNM building list. Inside this folder is just one report, recognizable as the building list we have used before in My Reports. Click the name of the report to open it in the browser. Before you see the report data, you will have the chance to use prompts to filter it. The building list can be filtered by campus, building status, or building. Report prompts. For this example, we want to view all buildings on the Gallup campus, so we will select Gallup from the campus menu. If you need to select or deselect all entries in the prompt, use the Select All and Deselect All buttons at the very bottom of the prompt. But for now, we will just select Gallup. When you have selected what you need to from the prompts, click Finish at the bottom of the page. The resulting report may take a minute to load if it contains a large amount of data, but our Gallup report loads right away. If a report has more data, it will also give the option at the bottom of the results to scroll down through multiple pages, but all of our data here is on one page. Filtering using the prompts has narrowed the data down to what we want. Exporting a report. These results may be all you need to browse for the information you are looking for, but what if you would like to save the report in an Excel file, PDF, or another different format? At this stage of viewing a report is where you have the option to do that. Click the play icon at the top left of the screen to run the report in a different format. HTML will rerun the report in the browser as we have already seen, but you may want to download the report in any of the other formats below. Downloading as a PDF is an option. You may also download an Excel or in the Excel data format, which eliminates the report's graphical formatting to simplify the Excel printout. CSV and XML formats are most useful for technical and IT users. Let's say we want to save an Excel copy of this report and we would like to preserve the formatting we see in the browser. Select Run Excel to download. Wait for the report to start downloading. Windows will ask you to verify if you want to save the file now or open it immediately in Excel. You probably want to click OK to open it in Excel and take a look before saving the report. The report from Analytics is now open in Excel. If you want to use filtering tools in Excel, this is where you may want to export as Excel data instead, because the Analytics formatting eliminated in the Excel data format includes the elimination of merged cells. You are now able to find and download reports in the new Accruent Analytics. If you have any further questions about Accruent Analytics, always feel free to email the SPACE team at space@unm.edu.